You're at a cafe, you see a chair you like, and instead of typing out a phrase like wood mid-century modern chair, you just point your phone camera at it. Search engines now process over 20 billion visual queries like this every single month. But if your product images aren't specifically formatted for optical algorithms to read them, your inventory doesn't exist to those ready-to-buy shoppers. Today, we are going to take one raw product listing and trace the exact optimization steps from the initial image file to the back-end code so you capture that visual discovery traffic. Step 1 begins before you upload anything. You need to curate a shoppable image stack, which is a collection of 5 to 8 specific photos of your product. Your primary image must sit on a clean, neutral background. Algorithms look for clear contrast to accurately extract product attributes like shape, color, and material. Next, you pair that clean primary shot with secondary lifestyle images. These provide the AI with the necessary context and real-world scale it uses to match user photos. Never place text overlays or watermarks on these images. Optical character recognition, or OCR, algorithms will hit a wall trying to decipher a busy cluster of jagged lines, confusing the system. Once you select the right photos, convert all of them into a modern, highly compressed file format like WebP to ensure fast page load speeds. This clean, formatted stack of images is the baseline raw data. You need this visual foundation in place before any back-end algorithmic optimization can begin. Now we move into the back-end of your e-commerce store for step 2, translating those visual details into readable metadata. The most common error happens right at the upload screen, leaving default camera file names intact. Instead, swap out the default text for a descriptive, hyphenated file name so the search engine gets an immediate readable signal. Next is the alt text. This field serves 2 distinct purposes. It ensures your site meets accessibility standards for screen readers, and it provides deep context for AI comprehension. Write your alt text as a natural, literal description of what is in the photo. State the color, material, and type of object clearly, but do not stuff it with extra search keywords. Keyword stuffing penalizes your ranking. By setting proper file names and alt text, you create a translation layer. You are bridging the gap between what a camera sees and how a text-based search index categorizes the item. Step 3 connects your media to actual commerce using structured data. We're specifically focusing on the product and image object schema markup. This markup is the back-end code that binds your image directly to high-intent shopping variables, like the price and the brand name. Inside this markup, you must include an array of exact image URLs, along with your specific product identifiers, like your GTIN. With the code in place, the final step is pushing this structured data out to the visual shopping catalogs. You need to sync your updated product feed directly to platforms like Google Merchant Center and the Pinterest Shop Graph. Check your platform dashboards after the sync. You want to see prominent green checkmarks and approved status badges next to your data feed to confirm the connection. These synced catalogs bypass the standard web crawl. They act as a direct pipeline, feeding your formatted product right into the AI's real-time visual index. Your optimization loop is now complete. The product listing is fully readable by visual AI algorithms. The engine understands precisely what the object looks like, its exact color, how much it costs, and the specific link to buy it. The payoff happens on the mobile screen. When a consumer points a camera at an object in the real world, your shoppable product card slides right into the center of their results. To operationalize this, create a standardized naming convention and an optimization checklist document. Share it with your team so this exact process scales across your whole catalog. Adapting to visual search is an operational necessity. By putting this structure in place today, you secure your position at the front of how consumers discover and buy products.